Peanut butter cup, chia seed pudding, healthy, tasty, so good looking. Hello, my loves. It is your girl, Gabrielle Reyes. Y'all know me as One Great Vegan, and I want y'all to check out this decadent dessert we are cooking up in the kitchen today, y'all. This recipe is everything you love about a peanut butter cup, but loaded and layered in a decadent, perfect pudding. Oh, y'all, I am pumped if you can't tell. So let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and let's make ourselves some peanut butter cup chia seed pudding.
Peanut butter cup, chia seed pudding, healthy, tasty, so good looking. Peanut butter cup, chia seed pudding, mixed milk and seeds through and through, and coconut condensed milk, chocolate velvety, it's sealed. Peanut butter in the other one, fill them till they're firm and done. Fill the pudding cup, loaded layers, decorate. Be gone and go enjoy my love. This peanut butter cup taste is great.
So raise your hand if you love chia seed pudding. Okay, y'all, I'll be real, my hand's not raised. I'm actually not a huge fan of chia seed pudding, y'all. I know, and I'm out here with these recipes like, ooh, y'all, it's bomb. Because this is now officially my favorite way ever in the whole world to make chia seed pudding. That peanut butter cup, that chocolate, that Cacao Bliss. Y'all, this is a flavor feast. It's healthy, it's super simple to make. We about to get going and get glowing up in the kitchen to create this decadent dessert. So y'all know I am obsessed with Cacao Bliss, right? I use them like every week. No lie, in my popsicles, in my brownies, in my waffles, and today, of course, we are gonna be putting it into our chia seed pudding, y'all. So we're gonna be doing one layer with this fabulous Cacao Bliss. Woo! It's just delicious, y'all, and it's so freaking rich. I am obsessed with it. And then in the other layer, we're gonna be doing a nice smooth peanut butter with this nice natural peanut butter that I found, y'all. And if you want to save 15% off when you order this delicious superfood, you can go to the link right here in this video that I'm gonna post right here, or to any of my Cacao Bliss videos on my YouTube, on my Instagram, on my Facebook, TikTok too, y'all. So boom, there you go. The first thing you're gonna need is some chia seeds. Check it out. I have a cup of chia seeds, and we're actually gonna do half of a cup in one of our bowls, and then in the other bowl, we're also gonna do the other half. This way, we're gonna be able to create those two separate sides and layer it all together. Honestly, you can do as many different layers as you like. I'm doing 2 today, but we may get crazy. We might do a PB&J with a little bit of Cacao Bliss in there too one day. Hey, baby, ooh, grab yourself your coconut milk, your cashew milk, your oat milk, your hemp milk, whatever you need. I am using some homemade coconut and cashew milk today, and I'm gonna be adding 2 cups to each bowl. So that's 2 cups for every half cup. Boom, there she goes. Let's see, that should be about half in there. Adding a little bit more. There she goes. And then let's add in some more in this one. So check this out. This is all going to combine together to create a nice and thick pudding. Now, if you want it thicker, you can add in more chia seeds. If you want it thinner, less chia seeds. Chia seeds are incredible, y'all. They are so filling, fibrous, protein-packed, the perfect breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, dessert, anything you need. It got your back, baby. All right, so as you can see, I have mixed together in my milk with my chia seeds. And we're gonna set this aside and work on our other one. Hey, where's your chia seed pudding? Where's your chia seed pudding? Where's your chia seed pudding? Coconut condensed milk. Now, this right here is so delicious, y'all. This is just like condensed milk, but it is actually made from coconut, y'all. It is the easiest way to swap out that animal product, and you got this right here, yo. Now, if you don't have coconut condensed milk and you can't find yourself the coconut condensed milk, that's okay, and that's all right, y'all, because you can use maple syrup, agave, monk fruit, whatever you need to be your sweetener. I'm gonna be adding in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this delectable sweetener into each of these bowls. And then we're gonna whisk it together, y'all. Now, we have our coconut condensed milk in both of our bowls right here. So now the fun part is adding in all of that seasoning and spices. Let's start off with our Cacao Bliss. Cacao Bliss. Oh, I forgot. This has turmeric in it, y'all. That's why it's got that zestiness in here. So we're gonna add in about 1/4 cup of our Cacao Bliss to give it that nice, rich cacao coating in there, y'all. Check it out, check it out. Ooh. And then peanut butter. Okay, so we added in our Cacao Bliss into one of our bowls. So of course, I wanna have that peanut butter cup flavor. So let's add in the same amount, 1/4 cup of our nice and creamy natural peanut butter. This right here, y'all, this is gonna add in all that flavor. In fact, I'm gonna add in a little bit more because I love peanut butter, baby. And if you can't have peanut butter, guess what, y'all? I got you, you don't gotta worry. You can use sunflower seed butter or sesame seed butter, whatever kind of butter that works for you. Almond seed butter if you just can't have peanuts, but a lot of people really like to use sun butter for this recipe too. So sun butter and then a splash of some maple syrup in there. Ooh, y'all, she cute. Cinnamon, we got some cinnamon. Let's add in a splash of some cinnamon into our peanut butter layer right there. And of course, this is to add in that dynamic. This Cacao Bliss already got all that turmeric, that mesquite, that MCT oil. It's got all that fabulousness. I wanna make sure my peanut butter is just as fabulous in every single layer, y'all. Check out what I got here. I got myself some vanilla extract, some simple vanilla extract. And I'm just gonna add in a splash of this, about 1/2 of a teaspoon. And just add that in there, and it's gonna really help all of our flavors come out and truly pop, y'all. Boom! Vanilla extract. Now, y'all, it is the moment we have all been waiting for. Ooh, that whisk it up. Make sure to get all that peanut butter broken up. I like to stick my whisk in the peanut butter to make sure it is getting into all of those chia seeds. Yes. Whisk it up, whisk up your chia seeds. Whisk it up, whisk out your chia pudding. Whisk it up till it's nice and creamy. My whisk is just going through and all that peanut butter is well incorporated, y'all. Check it out. Yes, okay, she cute. Now it's time for our Cacao Bliss layer. Oh, and look at all that. Ooh, she smells so good. Mix it in my hood. You know what I do. It's all for you. Baby, you got to get yourself some chia seed pudding. Hey, she is so healthy and good looking. Hey, yo. Okay, chia seed pudding. You are already cacao-tacular up in my bowl today as we whisk you up. Now, all we have to do is pop these into our refrigerator for about 3 hours, y'all. And it is time to load it, layer it, decorate, and dig on in, my loves. So, into the refrigerator they go. Healthy, tasty, so good looking, peanut butter cup, chia seed pudding. Healthy, tasty, so good looking. So let's scoop these out. Let's load and layer up our glass cups. Let's decorate it and let's dig on in, my loves. Oh, check it out, my loves. Look how thick and gorgeous our chia seed pudding is, y'all. Look at all of that deliciousness. That is our cacao-tacular layer we got going and glowing up in this bowl right here, y'all. She is cute. Oh, I want to get a bite right now, in fact. Yes, Lord. It's so good. Y'all, this is pudding. I normally hate chia seeds, and this right here, I can eat chia seeds any day, all day. It's got that sweetness, a little bit of that cacao-tacular, and you know it's got all that flavor up in there. Woo! Loaded, layer the cup. How many layers y'all think I can create is the real question. So I know she's gonna be delicious. Look at that. Yes, get in there, girl, and get your spoon in there. Kind of press it down, and if you really want to be fancy, you can clean up those sides over there, but we ain't gonna need that fancy right now. Let's get that cacao layer. Ooh, loaded,
layer the cup, loaded. Layer the cups, loaded. Layer the cup.
Look at all of this deliciousness, this health, this wealth, this goodness all going in here. And she is gorgeous, y'all. Check it out. I'm gonna get this little bite because I know she right. Let's get another layer of our peanut butter. As you can see, I'm just creating those layers. That same layer you would find in a peanut butter cup, that is exactly what I am creating right here, y'all, before your eyes. All that deliciousness, that desserty flavor, but we sweeten this with some coconut condensed milk. Ooh, y'all, and she is so cute. So I have some toasted coconut right here, just very lightly toasted. And then I have some vegan granola. This is like peanut butter granola. And then some crushed up peanuts as well. I also got some chocolate shavings mixed into all of this. So let's get going. Let's see what we want to put on here. I think I'm gonna start off crushed peanuts. There she goes, crushed peanuts on top. Just a little drizzle of crunch. And then we have this beautiful granola. Honestly, this granola is bomb, and all that little pop of crunch is gonna be perfect on our chia seed pudding. And then finally, my loves, I got myself some toasted coconut. And she is cute. I love toasted coconut. If you can't tell, I put it on all of my chocolatey desserts. So check it out, y'all. We have our chia seed puddings, our peanut butter cups, loaded and layered with goodness. And it's time to dig on in. Get myself a deep layer. Ooh, yes, y'all, check it out. It's good, y'all. It's crazy, because like, it's just so good. And I normally hate chia seed pudding, but this is like, mind-blowingly good. Y'all, one more bite. We created these epic desserts, y'all. And like I said, this could be a snack, this could be a little dessert, this could be a breakfast situation, whatever you need to heal your body and feed your soul with some peanut butter cup chia seed pudding. My loves, I had such an incredible time vibing with y'all, doing what we do, making some pudding that you would have no idea is 100% vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and fabulous. Well, you would know that it's fabulous because you would taste it. And I cannot wait to see you all up in my kitchen next time, y'all. And you know what we gonna be doing. You gonna be singing your song, you gonna be doing your dance, and you, for sure, are gonna be speaking your truth. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye, my love.